vhagudiswa vha paḓaho zwigidi zwa maḓana a malo ndi vhe vha ṅwala mulingo wa matiriki mahola. No wa vhaṅwe u konḓaho vho gobagoba nazwo vhagudiswa avha.
You need to understand and appreciate the magnitude of having a top learner in 2021. It's a class that really got the best of COVID. They right way in the middle of it.
Ava vha re afha vho takala na zwikunwe fhedzi vha khou vhiledzwa nga u sa ḓivha uri vho tou shuma hani.
I have no idea. Like you said, I just got a call and I don't even know. They didn't say anything. So I'm just as anxious as everyone is to find out what is going to happen today.
I was meeting up with some friends for lunch and it was incredible because my mom called me and said, look, we got this call from the Department of Basic Education and you invited to Joburg. And I was shocked. I had to pull over the car and think for a moment, what actually just happened? What did I get it for? But I have absolutely no clue. But the emotions were overwhelming. It was amazing.
Zwauri ava na vhaṅwe vha ḓa vha shuma hani vho dzula vho lindela Minista Vho-Motshekga zwenezwino nga tshifhinga tshi sa fhedziho mbilu hune vha ḓo vha vha tshi khou ḓivhadza mvelelo dza kilasi ya ṅwaha wa 2021.